We are at 36923 Cook Street, where we have an office condominium of 2,830 square feet now available for sale and for lease. This is part of the village at University Park. Well located office park with some retail in the front at Cook Street and Gerald Ford. We have covered parking, and this is a nice corner unit, as you can see, which means you're going to get lots of light inside. The suite is partially occupied by a hospice tenant who will be can be out with 30 days notice. When we walk in, here's our lobby area. This had been a bariatric area, and it is what offers a lot of flexibility to either create conference room, more offices. We have some dressing rooms, and there's a private restroom here, which could be nice if this area was to be made an executive suite. Now back out to the waiting room. And we'll go down the hall. We have both a men's and a woman's restroom, very nicely finished. And then we have a fully built out kitchen area for staff. We have a row of partitions that can either remain or be taken out. And then an interior office. Sorry, the light went out on me. Just a nice clean interior office with a window, a storage closet. We all need that. And then we do have 1, 2, 3 offices that are occupied by hospice, which I'm not able to go into. But again, 2 of these are on the window line. And we wrap back around to the open area with endless possibilities, lots of windows. The building has great signage and is available for sale for $700,000.